Again, like I say, with all the court cases, I'm relieved and I'm happy that the cases went in our favor on the facts and on the law. But I'm actually sad that we had to get to this point. We have our colleagues, my colleagues, um, who went to court, and I would have preferred that we all work together as one. So that saddens me. And for me, I'm hoping that we'll all still be able to work well together as one so as to strengthen our party, so that the party can always continue to look forward. So I'm looking forward to all my colleagues and I coming back together and working together as one. That for me is truly the more important thing. The court case issues, I'm just relieved because it's the court cases were distractions and they were affecting our campaigning profile, our campaigning processes, and all of that. But apart from that, it's really that I'm sad that we've had this kind of bifurcation and this kind of problems within the party, and it's not necessary. So I'm hoping, like I said before, that we'll be able to come together and work as one strong, indivisible party and team for the betterment of the good people of Edo State. There's so much to do. There's so much poverty in the land. There's so much suffering in the land. We can raise our GDP. We can raise our economy. We can carry our people into prosperity. And there's so much we can all combine together. If we truly love our people, we'll work as one. My problem is that, we're not showing demonstrably that we truly love our people. And that's what I want us to see. We should show in everything we do. This fight to finish, if everything doesn't spoil, if everything doesn't scatter, I won't rest. It doesn't show love for people. It doesn't. People wanted to achieve a situation where our party had no candidate and they didn't care. And what would have been the consequence of that? PDP would have had no candidate, so the help and the progress of the people will become stunted and clearly shows lack of love for the people. So those are the things that truly hurt and bother me, because we must love our people. We must show love for our people continuously. But apart from that, it's another day in the office. We go on campaigning, go on talking to our people, go on convincing our people that we're the right party to vote for, that we're the right people to vote for, that we will do well by our people, we'll remove the suffering by God's grace, we will create wealth, we'll improve our GDP, we'll make it all inclusive, so that even the poorest of the poor are raised from the levels of poverty. And then we bring the level of infrastructure that will also help our people to be happy. That's our task. The role of government is to make its people happy, to secure the people, to benefit the people, and to make the people healthy and create good welfare for the people. And that is the task that Osarojo and myself are committed to achieving by the grace of God. And we work hard at it. We work hard 24 hours a day without sleep, without stop for the people of this state. Thank you.